Hi all, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through on installation process for MySQL installer. So for that, go to the browser, search for MySQL, and click on MySQL official page. Then go to downloads. Scroll down. You have option called like MySQL Community GPL downloads. Click on it. Then click on MySQL installer for Windows. So I will be showing you installation process on Windows itself. Select the version and operating system. You need to download Windows 86 32-bit, like it will work for 64 as well. Click on the second one, that is like 354 MB, download. Then click on no thanks, like start download without logging in. So I already downloaded it. So once it is downloaded, double click on it. So we will be configuring MySQL Workbench, MySQL Server, and MySQL command line interface. So as I mentioned, I will be installing a MySQL Workbench, MySQL Server, and MySQL command line interface. Yeah. So it will give you a wizard, like we have to select required software. Then click on custom here. Next. So as I mentioned, I'll be installing SQL Server, then Workbench, Shell. So these three things I'll be installing: server, Workbench, and Shell. Click on next, execute. So basically, MySQL Workbench is a visual GUI based tool developed by Oracle for working with MySQL database. Agree, install. So, like MySQL Workbench provides an interface to design, develop, and manage a database without needing to use a command line tools. So, like with this, I will be installing command line as well, but it's easy to use through GUI. Like, so the features of Workbench are like it's a query editor. You can write and run SQL queries. Then it's a database design, like visually designed database schemas. You can do it like, yeah, click on next. So all three are ready to install. Let me execute it. And again, you can manage user, you can add, remove users, assign roles through a Workbench itself. And we are installing MySQL Server as well. Like MySQL Server is a actual database engine. Basically, it runs in the background, and it handles like storing data, processing SQL queries, authentication, transaction management, and concurrency control. So when you run MySQL Workbench or any app, they are all are connected to MySQL Server itself. So in order to access a database, so you can create database, like you can use Java app, like using JDBC and all, or any other vendor tools to communicate with these databases. And we also installing command line interface here. Again, it's a text based interface which lets you to interact with SQL Server directly using SQL commands. As I mentioned, it will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes. So you need to configure ports, users, and all. If you want to see the details, you can click on show details. So installation is complete. As I mentioned, it will take 5 to 10 minutes for installation. Then click on next. Ready to configure, next. So port will be 3306. Keep as is. Click on next. Use strong password. It's recommended. I will be giving root itself as it is local system. I'll use root and root. The service name will be MySQL 80. Click on yes. Yes, grant full access to the user running Windows services and the administrator groups only. So the installation path will be program data MySQL and also it's a data file. Let me execute this. It's just applying the configuration and all. So again, it might take hardly 5 minutes. Yeah, everything is done. So I'll be starting Workbench here. So one thing you need to do is go to program files, check for MySQL bin, copy this path and add it to the environment variable. Search for environment variables. Click on this. Click on environment variables. Under system variables, you'll be having path. Double click on this, new, and paste the path. Now let me open command prompt. You can see the version here, 8.0.43. So now we have installed SQL Server, Workbench, done. So we open Workbench as well. I've opened here, yes. And let me open command line. So the password which I have given is root. Yeah. So this is MySQL command line. You can see default bases. You can see these are the default databases. The same thing can be viewed from Workbench as well. It will ask for the password, okay, and it will open you the system. So yeah, you can query here. You can create a new database. You can create users, whatever the SQL thing you can do it from here as well. The same thing can be done from command line, MySQL command line as well. So if you want to create a database, create base and give db. Now you can see the new database is created. Yeah, this is all about installation process for MySQL. So where we have installed a Workbench, SQL Server, and command line interface. Thanks for watching.